Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the range that contains the dates you will change. Make sure you inspect a few cells. Real Excel dates are serial numbers formatted as dates and usually align right. Once done, identify any dates stored as text. Those must be converted first because formatting won't change text. If you already have real dates, skip conversion and go straight to formatting. Now keep the selection active and get ready to open the Format Cells dialog to set the exact display you need. Next, convert any text-looking dates using text to columns so Excel recognizes them as dates. Select Data, then Text to Columns, choose Delimited and click Next. Then on the final screen, pick the correct date order such as MDY or DMY and click Finish. This forces Excel to reinterpret strings into serial date numbers. Make sure converted cells now align right and show numbers if you change format to General. Once confirmed, you're ready to apply the only reliable formatting method, Format Cells. Finally, change how dates display by opening Format Cells. Right-click the selection, choose Format Cells, then Number and Date, or go to Custom for an exact pattern like YIMMDD. Choose a built-in style or type your own pattern. This only changes appearance, not the underlying date value. Apply and review several cells to confirm consistency. If formatting has no effect, make sure the cells are true date values and that regional settings match your chosen date order.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.